Hi everyone, and welcome to another session of AI speed dating, this time with a focus on productivity tools. My name is Brad and I'll be your host this afternoon. We've scoured the globe to bring you only the finest selection of eligible platform, property tech, structural design, assistant, surveying, data analysis, design spec, and VR AIs all looking for love. Will today be the day that you find your perfect match? Let's get started to find out. First up, we've got a group who knows how to work seamlessly with others. These contestants integrate flawlessly with your favorite design software, adding a boost of AI power. Whether you need quick visualizations or real-time rendering, they're ready to elevate your workflow and make things happen faster than you thought possible. The social butterfly of AI image creation, Specification AI thrives on collaboration, gathering ideas and sharing creations to produce something truly unique. You never create alone with this one. They're looking for text prompts, model parameters, and training data in order to give you custom AI models, image generations, and model sharing. The conversationalist who knows how to keep things flowing. ChatGPT's wordplay will charm you with witty dialogue, endless ideas, and responses that are always on point. Some might say the town bicycle, everyone's had a go. They're looking for text prompts, questions, contextual inputs in order to provide you with conversational responses, text-based information, and summaries. Your work partner is always there to assist. Co-Pilot Studio makes productivity feel effortless, helping you navigate tasks with ease and keeping you on the fast track to success. Built into Microsoft, they're looking for user queries, Office documents, and project data. And they're able to offer you with automated document creation insights and project management tool. They prefer it micro hard. The ultimate team player in AI, Hugging Face connects you with cutting-edge models and thrives on collaboration, creating a supportive, intelligent partner who's always has your back. They're based on the platform, and they are looking for text prompts, datasets, and model architectures. And they can offer pre-trained AI models, text generation, and machine learning solutions. Looking for someone who's got a thing for property and architecture? These smooth operators are all about revolutionizing the real estate and construction space. They can generate floor plans, visualize interiors, and even calculate costs, helping you plan and build with ease. A true partner in the property game. And soaring high above, Fly-Throughs loves to give you a bird's eye view of everything. This AI will guide you through immersive cinematic fly-throughs, showcasing your designs from the most elevated perspectives. They're looking for scene descriptions, camera paths, and video footage. And from that, they're able to give you automated 3D fly-through animations and cinematic visualizations. Also from PropTech, this one's a real estate expert with a touch of AI charm. Elise loves matching people with their dream homes, all while handling the details like a pro. They're looking for user queries, customer service data, and conversational inputs. They can offer automated customer service responses, conversational AI interactions. Into the next category, we have all those structural thinkers out there. Here's a set of contenders who excel at building from the ground up. Whether it's 3D modeling or generating detailed plans, these AIs make sure your structures are solid, practical, and designed with efficiency. They'll do the heavy lifting so you can focus on the big picture. A data-driven dream. Daisy knows how to dig deep into the details and present them in a way that makes everything seem effortless. If you love precision and insight, Daisy is your perfect match. They're looking for floor plans, design briefs, and design data. From that, They're able to offer plans, components, and cost summaries, 2D CAD and models. Strong, stable, and dependable. Structure Plus loves to keep things together. Whether it's your designs, structures, or plans, this one ensures everything stays standing tall. They're looking to build something special with you based on building data, structural parameters, and design inputs to provide you with structural analysis, optimize building designs, and structural calculations. Guiding you on your creative journey, Pathw.ai is a thoughtful, detailed partner who helps you to navigate through complex data and unlock new insights along the way. They're looking for datasets, project data, structural parameters in order to provide you with and analyze engineering data and suggest connections. Now for the multitaskers. These assistants are your right-hand AIs taking care of the details while you focus on the bigger creative vision. Whether it's turning rough sketches into polished visuals or taking simple prompts and generating stunning designs, they're here to lend a hand and boost your productivity. A deep thinker who's always there to help. You unpack complex questions and ideas. Claude's a conversationalist who thrives on meaningful discussions. They're looking to solve love's puzzle with text prompts, conversational inputs, and contextual data. And from that, they can give you conversational responses, summarization, and problem solving. Smart, intuitive, and always learning. Grok 2 will guide you through complex decisions, making it feel like you've got a genius at your side. They're looking for user queries, contextual information, task-specific input. And they can offer AI-driven insights, recommendations, and task automation. Organised, detail-oriented, and loves a good project plan. Plannerly is always one step ahead, ensuring your designs and plans are in perfect order. If you're planning for a good time, you can give them project data, BIM information, and team inputs in order to get project management, collaborative planning, and BIM coordination. A true multitasker. Google Gemini handles a bit of everything, from creating stunning visuals to managing complex data. This one's a jack of all trades. They're looking for text inputs, contextual data, multimedia inputs to give you multimodal AI outputs, text generation, and advanced contextual analysis. Always by your side during meetings, Zoom AI Companion makes sure you're on top of it all, whether it's summarizing conversations or handling tasks. This one's your go-to for professional support. Zoom into love with meeting data, user inputs, and contextual information. So you get meeting summaries, action item generation, and real-time transcription. Next up, we've got the ones who know how to analyze the lay of the land. These contenders specialize in surveying and transforming raw data into clear, actionable insights. They'll help you navigate the terrain with ease. This tech-savvy smooth talker will inspect and detect every inch of your structures. Qii.ai loves scanning for flaws and making sure things are flawless. It's all about making you feel secure and supported. They're looking for inspection data, drone footage, and sensor data to give you inspection reports, asset condition analysis, and predictive maintenance. Need someone who can dive deep into the details? These AIs are all about taking complex data and turning it into valuable insights. They'll analyze your inputs, extract the important information, and help you optimize your designs in ways that are both creative and efficient. First up from the data analysis sector, we have a drafting dynamo with precision and skill. Caddie AI knows how to turn your blueprints into perfectly executed plans. If you're looking for effortless collaboration on your architectural designs, Caddie's the one for you. Take off their quantity with architectural drawings, BIM data, and design requirements. In order to get automated cost estimation, quantity takeoffs, and construction planning. An industrial problem solver, Work24 is always ready to jump in and analyze your technical drawings. This one loves efficiency and accuracy, ensuring your projects run as smoothly as possible. You're looking for technical drawings, manufacturing data, and engineering specifications. In order to give you automated document analysis, part identification, and manufacturing insights. Work it, baby. A management maestro who knows how to keep a construction site running smoothly. Embu takes control of the details, making sure every task is completed on time and within budget. They're looking for architectural drawings and text data in order to offer you automated drawing review and comparisons. The AI all-rounder with a knack for integrating into any workflow, Cogniflow loves creating intelligent solutions, so whether it's data, language, or vision, this AI's got you covered. Process some love with text data, image data, and speech inputs to get custom AI models, automated data processing, text and image classification, among others. A data extraction expert, Pathw.ai knows how to make sense of the messy details. If you're swamped with paperwork, Pathw.ai will pull out the information you need, clean and clear. They're looking for document data, email inputs, and structured texts. And they can offer you automated data extraction, structured data outputs, and document parsing. Here come the experts in detail. These contestants specialize in creating the perfect design specification, handling the technical side of things with ease. From materials to dimensions, they'll make sure every part of your project is precisely defined and ready for construction. The wise one in the room, WiseBIM understands your blueprints at a glance, turning 2D plans into smart 3D models. This AI brings clarity to your construction projects. They're looking to convert to love with CAD drawings, point cloud data, and BIM data to give you automated BIM model generation, 3D building models, and data conversion. A master of adaptive design, Finch loves to take your building parameters and create something stunning and functional. It's all about flexibility and creativity with this one. Drive their parameters with architectural parameters, design constraints, and they'll give you generative designs, optimized floor plans, and design iterations. Trusted co-pilot who's always by your side. BIM Logic helps steer your project with data-driven insights and smooth project management. A true partner in your design journey. They're looking for user queries, text prompts, and architectural models to take your design higher with automated commands, actions, and annotations. Got a thing for 3D modeling and smooth talkers? Blender GPT will help you shape your designs with precision and creativity, turning your ideas into fully realized works of art. Blend your hearts together with text prompts, 3D models, and scene descriptions to get automated 3D modeling, scene generation, and object manipulation. A building buddy who loves to make your architectural dreams come true. Make it fast, efficient, and knows how to generate floor plans that fit your vision like a glove. They're looking for architectural drawings, design requirements, and user preferences. And they can offer you automated floor plans, space planning, and design visualizations. And finally, for those who love to step into new dimensions, we've got the visionaries of this group, whether it's augmented, virtual, or mixed reality. These AIs immerse you in your designs, allowing you to interact with your project in real time. If you're looking to experience your ideas like never before, these are the ones to watch. A cinematic genius, Luma AI brings your designs to life with immersive fly-throughs and stunning visualization. If you love to see things from all angles, this one's ready to soar with you. They're looking for photos, video footage, and object data in order to give you realistic 3D models and immersive visualizations. Okay, that's all we have time for today. Thank you for putting your heart on offer today, guys. From all of us here at BIMco, we hope you found your one true love, or many for that matter. Remember, if it ain't AI, it just ain't fly. Thanks again for coming along.